Welcome. You will learn in this book how to start an internet marketing business, find a need and meet it, find the demands of your target audience, build your business website, use tools to build a website, use search engine techniques, build your business reputation, email marketing, understand your marketplace. How to start an internet marketing business. Internet marketing businesses are small or medium-sized businesses that use the internet as their major market. Starting an internet marketing business requires some specific and proven procedures and tools in order to succeed. It is important to take heed of all the tools and procedures as advised by success stories in order to make it in internet marketing. This is because the internet marketing business is susceptible to a number of setbacks that might prove to be challenging if not addressed correctly and promptly. A website is the first contact point between a consumer and an internet marketer. This is because it is through a website that the buyer gets to see the products on market with their specifications. As a result, a website acts as an online storefront that must be designed in the most attractive way in order to attract potential customers. It should be noted that there are a number of strategies and tools that one can use to make his or her website most attractive and admirable for potential clients. However, before embarking on the strategies and tools for developing a good website for your online marketing business, it is important to have an overview of the proven tips for developing a good website. There is a proven sequence and step-by-step procedure that you can follow to make your internet marketing business dreams a success. This procedure guarantees success for people opting to start internet marketing businesses, whether small or medium-sized businesses. Thousands of internet marketers have benefited significantly from following strictly the guide to effecting internet marketing businesses. In order to take your internet marketing businesses to the next level, it is imperative that the following is stipulated in the next chapters. To download the link book below the video. And if you want to read the books completely on the channel, tell me that. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel and support us by liking the video. Please see you later.